I'm recording the lecture because I don't know whether she's connecting or not. I told her, but it's already 6:51 as per Indian time zone. Not getting any response from our side. Okay, fine, no issues. All right. So this is what 1x that we can see. Okay. Now apart from this, like there is now one more thing. So this is what minus 1x. Now here also, can you see it? Again, all the letters are same, powers are same. So you can directly do the addition and subtraction and the final answer is 8x. Okay,
Yes.
this is the next thing that you can see. All right. Similarly, similarly here also जैसा हमने अलजेब्रा में किया था इन बॉड मास कि अगर ऑल्टरनेटिव प्लस माइनस भी होते हैं तो उस प्लस माइनस का भी हम यहाँ पर यूज ले सकते हैं मतलब हमने जो अभी तक पढ़ा है ठीक है ये उसी से को रिलेटेड है टॉपिक इसमें कुछ भी डिफरेंस नहीं है देर इज नो सच डिफरेंस ओवर हियर ठीक है सो इट इज माइनस 7p प्लस 10p एंड प्लस 10p माइनस 8p विच इज इक्वल्स टू माइनस 2p प्लस 3p ओके हमने पेयरिंग करी पेयरिंग करके फाइनल आंसर निकाला एंड 6p is the answer over here
Mm.
6p is the final answer that we are getting okay getting the point.
Yes.
Yeah. So in this way, okay, we are doing the questions. Now coming to the next part, which is 3p and 4p minus 10q and minus 5q. Okay, just solve and go for this. What is the answer for 3p 4p question?
Mm. Um. So like the next step I got is 7p minus 15p. No, q.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, please go for this question.
Is it
Also,
minus 8? Well, I just don't know what the variable is.
okay, whatever the answer that is there in the back of your head, okay, or that you are getting, just please tell me.
Minus 8. But that I don't know what the variable is.
Okay, so the final answer is 7p and 15q minus 15q. This is the final answer. Okay, how is it possible that p वाला जो terms है it is a like term ठीक है इसका आंसर आ जाएगा 7p
Yes.
10q and 5q का जो फाइनल आंसर है वो है हमारा 15q ठीक है
Yes.
अभी p और q के बीच में जो आप कर रहे हो दैट इज बेसिकली -8 वो नहीं हो सकता इट कैन नॉट बी डन ठीक है आंसर बस यहाँ पे स्टॉप हो जाएगा
So
ओके
there's no
इसके
further
आगे हम
point?
नो देयर इज नो ठीक है इसके आगे हम यहाँ पर -8 नहीं लिख सकते ठीक है बिकॉज एज आई टोल्ड यू ऑलरेडी लेटर्स अब
Yeah,
यहाँ
they're
पे देखो
unlike
लेटर्स आर
terms.
डिफरेंट अनलाइक टर्म्स के बीच में ऑपरेशन नहीं हो सकता इन द अनलाइक टर्म्स योर ऑपरेशन कैन नॉट बी पॉसिबल isn't it if in the
Oh,
unlike
so
terms
that means
so
I
the
already
final
got the
answer
answer.
is yes so जो आपने अभी करा है अगर आप यहाँ पे -8 लिखोगे ठीक है ओके समझ लेते हैं -8 आप लिखते हो तो इसके साथ क्या लिखोगे p लिखोगे या q लिखोगे who will decide this okay so there is no point okay so that's why In the case of unlike terms, आप addition subtraction नहीं कर सकते.
Okay.
Okay, this is the one thing. So similarly, now you have one more question. Okay, go for it.
Oh, this one.
Yeah, solve this portion and this portion.
Done.
Okay, what's the final answer?
For the first one,
Yeah.
um, 1p minus 15q minus 4a,
Mm-hmm.
and then the second one, uh, 14x minus 9y.
Okay, so that will be 14x. So first of all, bring all the like terms together. This is 11x plus 3x plus 11x minus 7y and minus 2y. So this will be 14x minus 9y. That is the answer, isn't it?
Yes.
So this will be the final thing that is going on. Now directly come to the PDF. Okay, so the basic portion है. The basic portion we have already finished as of now. I think this PDF now has some issue because this PDF have some indentations error and some correction needed to be done. Let me